So, next project on my old red Ford here. I need to get to the timing chain, which is behind basically the water pump, behind that pulley. And we're going to take
battery high.
And got to take the radiator out, disconnect all the hoses, remove the power steering pump, air conditioner, and crankshaft pulley and all down through there. So we're going to get started. basically how to get to a timing chain on a 351 modified. A lot of engines are similar to this. In this case, this one here is a little bit like this. And as you can see, as far as we know, this timing chain is 90,000 miles on it, and it was a mistake by Ford making them like this. As you can see the play in them. So that's it for this video. Kind of long, but hope you enjoyed the video. This is GMEC. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Tune into the next video where we line this all up and clean things up and start putting the new timing chain in and get it back together and hopefully hear it run again. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.